Yeah, it's more easier that way, but easier said than done, right? Damn. No, I just. So most of the time, we tend to we tend to think that in our everyday lives, we always have this thought of like loser. We always thought of, what is the next big failure we have coming our way? And people would just think like, what are you talking about, man? I'm basically talking about when you think about failure, it's nothing more than it's just a lesson. It's only a lesson. And when I'm saying this, I'm saying this as like, all right, look, the failure, it comes a price. The failure, it comes a choice. So you can either choose to move on from that failure, or you can, just crumble down to your feet, cry, do nothing about it. You know, it's all about what you do next. It's not about what you do until the outcome comes. It's about how far you go until until you give up. How much endurance does it take you to finish what you need to do? What is it that you gotta do to get to the next level? And that's what people overlook. They overlook the hard things that they have to go through. They overlook what needs to be done, and it kind of does take a toll. Yeah, what I mean by overlooking things, I mean you don't have to overthink it. You just gotta go for it. Whether it's a workout, whether it's calisthenics, and whether it is something that you love to do. Musician, you like to play music or make beats, whatever. Go make more beats. Experiment with yourself. See what you can do with that. Same thing with either piano, baseball, soccer, softball, or be a doctor, go in the medical field to help people out. See what you can do. See exactly what you can actually achieve with that. And what makes that so hard for some people is their insecurity. They think that people are looking at them as if like, oh man, this guy, he's not with the stuff, or they think that they don't have all the skill sets to do what it is that they need to do. And that all depends on your willpower. It all depends on what is driving you. And that's one thing people miss. They miss that point in life because of the insecurity, or they're afraid of what others will think if they can do this. Yes, they're like, I'm not talking about personal stuff. I'm talking about like how which one your dream. Like, once you have a dream that you want to act, do you want to go do acting? Do you want to play football? Do you want to help children out? Do you want to help people in the medical field? Do you want to live in the Bahamas, go to Hawaii, travel, be a photographer? Many people in this world are doing the same thing that you're doing right now, or that they want to do. They're doing something that you want to do. They're doing something probably better than you. They may be better than the thing that you want to do. You might want to race, right? You want to get in the car and race. You want to be a NASCAR driver. But you got to understand, in this world, there's competition everywhere. People are going to be doing the same thing you're doing. There's some people out there that are trying to get the same thing like you are. There are people out here just waiting to literally just take it from you. You got to get there somehow. Dreams will come. Some things do come in time. Some things take more time than what they may seem, but you have to be patient in order to move. Because when you're patient, you kind of figure out where you're going. You have a clear path on what you want to do. If you do so much so quick and you try to grasp everything very quickly, you won't really get as much as you think, but you will pass up opportunities that come your way. You're like, no. I'm gonna keep on going this way because this is the right path for me. And there's just like things just coming at you. People asking you if you would like to try this out, or would you like to do something